On behalf of Guru Meenakshi Ganesan, the Kalanjali Dance Company, Prisha Ishwari, their grandparents, parents, and family, it is my honor and privilege to welcome you to the Bharatanatyam Arangetram of Prisha Rock and Ishwari Gregory. My name is Satvika Gandhi, and along with my friends Nupur and Dhruti, we will be your MCs for this afternoon's recital. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form from India, celebrated for its sophistication, subtlety, and stylization. It is said to have originated in the temples of South India several centuries ago. Repertoires and modes of presentation have undergone changes over its long history, but its intimate association with Hinduism and mythology have been preserved. It is one of the most highly refined and developed systems of dance, recognized for its dynamic rhythm, rich vocabulary, expressive gestures, and its hallmarks are crisp geometric patterns, sculptures, poses, and stylized expressions. Today, Prisha and Ishwari take part in the centuries-old tradition of presenting a Bharatanatyam Arangetram. Arangetram is a graduation ceremony acknowledging the many years of rigorous training and dedication to this art by a student. After the Arangetram, the dancer pursues the art form deeper, but also performs solo recitals, training in choreography and Natyabhangam under their guru, and also assists in giving training to others. The learning process does not end at Arangetram. It is a lifelong process. At this time, I would request that you silence your cell phones and remind you that videography is prohibited unless you have prior approval from the dancer's family or Guru Meenakshi Ganesan. Also, please avoid leaving in the midst of a dance and wait until in between pieces if you need to step out. We will begin this afternoon's program with a prayer song in praise of Lord Ganesha, the remover of all obstacles. The dancers will take the blessings of their guru, parents, and the audience for the success of the recital. Without further ado, please enjoy.
Thank you.